Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are looking tonight at Nvts stock. You can see this one today is up by 3.1%, and over the course of this video I'm going to be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on what we are seeing. If it sounds like a good episode, if you do enjoy these episodes, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It does help me out quite a lot. At the same time, I'd like to remind you I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Now of course we are seeing this stock jumping up over the last couple of days. Look, from the 10th or the 9th of October and you were just seeing a continual rise coming all the way from the $8 price point to the 15s where we are at right now. At the same time, it looks like we are seeing nice supports holding around 15.15, which is of course a very good thing to see. 15 is the low that I want to see. I think below that, the next level of support is going to be right around the 1470 range. I think we could also see that if we do see a move to the downside. Ultimately though, today and over the last few days, I'm very impressed by the consolidation that we are seeing. Again, if we are able to hold this, that would be ideal, but if not, again, a move into that 1460s, a move into potentially the 1420s, and even possibly down to the 1360s, or even lower than that, the 1310s, potentially down to the 1260s, right? All of these are moves to pay attention to. Moves to the upside, well, initially you're looking at 1575, you're looking for a push, then past $16, 1610, 1615, potentially up to 1650, 1660, $17 is a main target to watch out for. Now again, every day that we do see this consolidation, this relatively flat trading like today, we are seeing the RSI begin to cool off even further. This is a good sign. However, we are still very much into the overbought range. A couple days more worth of consolidation would put us in a great position to see this one potentially, again, flatten out on the RSI, show some potential consolidations, find that floor for the next push up, and see further moves ahead. So it's as simple as that, guys. That is what I am looking for into the next few days. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions, so do drop me them in the comments. Thank you for your time. Goodbye for now.